Hey lovelies, it makes me sad to share this sadness with you. The CBN on August 17, 2021 got authorization from the court to freeze the accounts of 4 major brokers in Nigeria that makes it possible for you and I to trade on the Forex market. Makes it possible for us to buy global stocks and assets. These companies are fintech companies like Trove, Chaka, Bamboo, RiceVest. These companies have made it possible for legitimate Nigerians to purchase stocks directly from their smartphones, directly from their Naira bank accounts, straight from Nigeria. According to Punch Nigeria, these accounts will be frozen for the next 6 months. The CBN alleged that the activities of these organizations has contributed to the devaluation of the Nigerian currency and has violated what was stated in the circular of 2015 by the CBN, sourcing foreign exchange from the Nigerian Forex market to purchase global stocks and assets without the required license from the CBN to do so. These fintech platforms have sent mails to that effect, informing their customers that they are aware of the problems and they are working with their teams to solve the problem and that their clients' monies are still safe. People would definitely panic. Furthermore, Nigerians are of the opinion that the government is at it again. Why? In February 2021, the CBN banned commercial banks from transacting business with the cryptocurrency platforms in Nigeria. In April 2021, SEC raised concerns about platforms that are helping Nigerians invest in global stocks and assets. This made some Nigerians rant on different social media platforms, concluding that the government of Nigeria is bent on blocking the chances of well-meaning investors in Nigeria from rising above poverty level. What do you think? Drop your comment in the section below. Let me know what you think. Are you for or against this freezing of the account of this platform that helps Nigeria invest in the global stock? If you like updates like this, kindly make sure you subscribe below and click the like button if you like this video. I've been able to treat topic on investing in global stock from Nigeria. Do well to check the video. I have other videos in the description below. The links on my playlists are there. Business ideas, side hustles, making money, saving money, investing money, tutorials on YouTube as well. Until we get further clarification and updates on this situation, I'll see you in the next.